friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have faced this type of issue while setting the printer as default, then I'm going to here solve this problem. Okay, so you have to follow this step and try this. Go to and right click on the start menu and type Regedit register editor, then click yes. I'm going to close it, and here you have to go to current user. Here is the current users. Click this option, and then after we have to go to software. Here is software, then after go to Microsoft Windows, and here you can find out the Microsoft. Okay, just click here, and here you have to find out Windows NT. Here is Windows NT, right? Just click this option and go to current version and click this drop down list, and then after here you have to find out your Windows. After find out the Windows, just you have to right click and go to the permission level, and here first you have to add here the everyone. Okay, policy level everyone 8, go to advanced and go to the find now, and you can find out here everyone and click OK. Then after again click OK, and you have to give the full control, right? And this apply. OK. Then after you have to just restart your computer and try to set the printer as default. I think the problem will be fixed. Okay, friend, if this solution helped you, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.